Good morning.
Good morning. Guess we in which hand is this something?
This hand. I lost again. This hand. Ah, you're tricking me. This hand. This hand. No, you trick. You're changing it. You're a tricker.
About my
Show
guess
me.
in which hand?
That one. Oh, you trick. Let me see. Let me see.
Which in which hand, Daddy?
The other hand.
Daddy,
What is it? It's just a paper.
read.
Read what it says.
Yes.
Okay. It says, Tyler, Mama, I am what?
So.
No. Oh, so is spelled S-O, not C-O. What is the other word?
So X-I-T.
Okay, I'm gonna teach you to spell excited, not excited. To go at Maxons. You see how you spell excited? Is excited. My boy, he's something else. Good try though. So, not co. So. Okay?
Okay.
Good morning, Miss Sarah.
What?
Good morning, Miss Sarah. Here's your juice. Here's your juice, Mama. Mmm. Yummy, yummy. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. It's a brand new day. It's wet and dark and soppy and all that outside right now. It's been raining all night into today, and it's going to continue raining for the rest of today. Embrace the grays. Embrace the grays. Okay, embrace them. Embrace them, girl. Anyway, you guys, we hope you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys wake up feeling like you're ready to take on the day and have energy, and it's feeling better than I am feeling this morning, because last night we had a rough night. Sarah woke up and her mouth was killing her, and she cried throughout the early part of the morning. She cried and cried and cried. I fall asleep and cry and fall asleep and cry. So in order for babe to wake up feeling ready for work this morning, he had to leave the room and take Sarah's room. So I could have the big bed with Sarah to, you know, give her some comfort and stuff. So she actually stayed with me for the last part of the morning. When she woke up in the morning, babe took her so I could get a little bit of rest while he was on his conference call. Yeah, so I am up. I haven't got my workout in as yet, but Tyler,
Yes.
did you ask if you can take something?
Oh, sorry. Mama,
Yes, Tyler?
can I have a snack?
No, I'm going to give you some porridge. Anyway, you guys, I have a bunch of stuff to get done today on my agenda as per usual. So regardless of the weather in your area, hopefully you guys will have a good day and make the best of your day, because we wake up, we have life, and that's most important. Right now I just get some porridge for Tyler. Sarah is playing over there. She's about to have nap time any minute, but while she's deciding whether she wants to nap or not, I am going to get productive and sort this kitchen out and get my day going. Yeah, so hopefully you guys have a good day. Stay blessed, stay motivated, stay positive. I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. workout was so good. It was so amazing. And my little nugget nap while Mama was at it. So thank God she got her morning nap in her swing. Right, you got your nap in your swing. You're always a good sport for Mama. And she wake up just in time for lunch. So it's lunchtime for the whole crew right now. Sarah is gonna have her puree. Tyler is gonna have some sausage and quinoa. And Babe and I gonna have bowls of tuna salad that I made. And then I'm gonna just, you guys can hear that I'm still tired from working out. I'm gonna feed her, take care of everybody, and then I jump back into the kitchen and make dinner and just call kitchen a day because Tyler needs to get some schoolwork done today. So that's where we are right now. Tyler? Yes, Mama? Come baby, it's time for lunch. If it's nothing that I miss in Jamaica, it's Jamaica cabbage. This cabbage tough like a rock. Look how tight this cabbage fold. You know we Jamaicans don't like our cabbage fold this tight. If we go in the market and see cabbage this tight, we ain't gonna buy it. Dang. Well honey, you gotta take what you get. It's the life you choose, girl. You better take it and be happy with it.
We're gonna do some exercise later, Tyler. What face is for wisdom?
This?
Yes.
For lunch.
Okay. I'm going to take a regular face now.
We can share mine at the same time. This sizzler thing about solid as a rock. Cabbage puff like some cover on it, yeah.
Salad.
So I'm making cabbage and corned beef for dinner, and that's gonna go with some pasta for whoever wants pasta, and then for me, I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna have it with. Cause I don't want no pasta. That's what Jamaicans say when they sneeze, baby. What's that mean? You know, babe?
Yeah.
Say, come off of me name. Stop sit down for me name. Hey, I love my people. Jamaicans are the best. Okay guys, my job here is almost done. I made pasta and cabbage and corned beef over there, and now I am making food for Sarah. So this is going to be her dinner for a few days. We have carrot and Irish potato in here, and this will be her lunch for a few days. This one have beef, sweet potato and broccoli. So those gonna cook, and then I'm gonna puree them. working out right now. Finished working. So let's go check on him. You guys, it's been raining all day. We haven't even gone outside on the balcony because it's been just raining all day. And look, somebody's tired. Somebody's tired. And somebody's ready for dinner. Somebody teething is on 100. Where's the teeth? You swallow them? Where's the teeth? Where's the teeth? Oh, look at that. She wants to sleep so bad. She wants to sleep. She wants to sleep. And she wants to sleep. Look at her. Lord have mercy. I can't control my child. I'm having a headache all day. My head is killing me so bad. So I am going to feed my little nuggets. Tyler already had dinner. Tyler, how was dinner? It was good. Yes. Alright, it's time for your dinner. And babe finished working out and it's getting fresh right now. So babe is going to come and have dinner. And we're going to just wind down the evening by putting everybody to bed and all that good stuff. So we'll see you guys in a bit.
Try more real.